cut a rectangle of fabric and a length of elastic. Fold and pin the long edges right sides together. Sew a 1 centimetre seam allowance, starting well in from the ends and stopping the same distance from the other end. Back tack at each end, trim threads. Pull the tube through using a loop turner or safety pin. Comes the tricky part. You need to sew the short ends together. Pin to start, then sew a centimetre at a time, pulling the seam around. Take your time, back tack at each end. Push the raw edges to the inside and finger press or iron so it is easier to stitch close at the last stage of making your scrunchie. Elastic through the gap. As it goes through, you need to pin the end of the elastic before it gets lost. Try to keep the elastic from twisting. Remove the safety pin and pin the two ends together. It is easier to hand sew the elastic into a circle than sew by machine. Sew securely into a few stitches on the spot to make sure it will not come undone. Sew the gap closed really close to the edge.